guy do?
No, you let the bad guys in. Taylor let the bad guys in.
I let the bad guys in? No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I did let the bad guys in.
Yes, you did.
How did he let the bad guys in?
Yeah.
With the door.
Left the door open?
No. What did he leave open?
The front door.
No. That's not what he left open.
It was the back.
That's not what he
And
left
what'd they
open
take?
either.
And what'd they take?
My shoes.
Your shoes.
Did they actually take my shoes?
No.
They didn't know I was a baby, and maybe I yelled at them like, "Dad, Dad." I can't even get out of my clip like that.
That's a pretty crazy story.